Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Now let's get started. In this video, we will install the VS Code extension for Claude Code. This extension allows you to ask questions to Claude Code directly from your editor, which makes working with your code much easier. Let's open VS Code. I will go to the extensions section, search for Claude, and install Claude Code for VS Code by Anthropic. After the installation is complete, you will see the Claude extension icon appear in the top right corner. Once you click on it, the Claude Code window will open. In this example, I will ask Claude to explain this file. Let's wait for its response. Here we go. We have received a response from Claude Code. It has also identified a bug. In a negative case, the current implementation would fail. Let's ask it to fix the bug. Now it's working on the fix. And now it's suggesting an edit to resolve the issue. I will go ahead and allow it. And that's it. The bug is now fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.